Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. I know I have been gone for a little bit. As you all know, I was sick. I did share that in my last unboxing video. I am feeling a lot better now. It took a little while for my sinus infection to clear up, and it was like 1 minute it was feeling okay, and then the next minute it was kind of just dragging me down at night. And then with work and just busy with being a mom, a wife, and traveling with my family, I have just been so just out of pocket and trying to manage my time. I didn't share, or I don't remember if I shared. I did change positions January the 1st. So my job is a little bit more engaging, I'll say. So I'm doing a lot more on my job. I have a lot more responsibilities that is requiring me to work later as well. So I don't really have the time to kind of put into YouTube how I was doing before, but I'm starting to find like my rhythm and my mojo within my job. So hopefully I can come back into doing videos more often. I do have an unboxing of 2 Coach items that I recently picked up. One of them I have already opened because I was so eager to see it, but I can tell you right now it is a bit of an regret, and I hate to say that, but if you want to see what I picked up, then please keep watching. Alright you guys, so I have the first item in this box right here, and as I shared, I already opened it. I actually tried to film this a couple of days ago, but I prefer to film in the daytime in natural light, and when I filmed this, I don't feel like the video quality was very good. So let's open this right up. Now you all know I've been obsessed with this cherry collection here. This has gone down in price on the website. It is now like 80 bucks, okay? So I thought, I'll get that and see if I want it. Really, this one is the piece that I was wanting to get. The other 2 are like a bonus in this little trio set. I missed out on the one with the pink cherries and the green leaves, which is the one that I really wanted. I so regret not buying that. In my mind, I was like, I have enough wristlets. I don't need that. And so I didn't buy it. Next thing I know, they were all gone. So I was really settling for like getting this. But I can tell you when I got it, I was like, nope, I don't want it. Even though I do like this, I don't need these other 2 pieces. And I don't foresee myself just gravitating towards this. And even to have this piece, which for 80 bucks is a really good deal when you think of like the individual pricing of these. Like these little things alone can cost you like 30 bucks. If you catch it on sale, you can get it for like 26. These little things cost you, you know, at least 40 bucks. Alright, so that's just 70 alone for these 2. And then the larger wristlets typically run you about $60. When they mark them down, you can get them for like 40. So just the fact that you get all 3 of these right now for the current price of 80 bucks is a steal. But again, I've shared this. I have a red Juicy Couture one. Now obviously this one is not real leather, and this one is. And this one is like my favorite Coach leather, you guys. It's that pebbled leather, and it feels like just delicious. It is so soft and malleable. I love this. And this one is the one I would prefer to have. It has that like burgundy type of interior. But again, you guys, I have so many of these wristlets, and it's not the one that I wanted. So I am going to be taking this back to the store because, I don't know, as much as I like it, I don't see myself, again, just reaching for it. So I'm being kind of honest in terms of my usage for these. And while, you know, again, I wanted it just for this one. So if I can sell the other 2 and keep just the pink one, I will try to explore that option. But at the moment, this feels kind of a little bit like a regret. So let me move on to the next item that I bought. Alright you guys, so my next item is in this box right here. I have not opened it yet. I was waiting until I could do my video because I really wanted to unbox this on camera. I'm excited about this one right here. I tried so hard not to buy this, but again, you know, it's kind of like a YouTube made me do it thing where I've seen other YouTubers with this same bag. I do have a lot of accessories that will go with this. And like many other bags that I have, obviously I don't need this, but what prompted me to buy this was my job said that we have to return back to office. So I do work from home, or at least I was, but April the 1st, they are mandating that we return back to office 2 days a week. So I have more reason to use my tote bags now. So I said, you know what, let me go ahead and get this bag before it's not available. There it is in the box. Let's take her out. And it is, I got the Town Tote in the blossom color, I think. I don't know what color this is, you guys. It's not powder pink. I thought it was. It's very close to the powder pink. I'll get my wallet to put it up to it. But I seen Mom Ambition. I seen her video. I've seen a lot of videos with this bag, but it was hers that kind of made me do it. I'm blaming her for this. When I saw her video with her wallet that she has, very similar to the one that I have, I was like, you know what, I can make that work. And she pointed out one feature of the bag that I obviously really love. Of course, that is pink on the outside, but the fact that this bag has pink on the inside, I was like, you know what, let me get that bag so that I don't regret how I do with that little wristlet. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to say, you guys, I'm glad that I got it. This color is actually really beautiful in person, and I was going to say, I was kind of worried that this would be too much like my MCM bag, which I have over here, but the color is so pretty, and I hate that it looks a little bit lighter on my camera. I'm not really sure why. I think it's the light. Let me try to adjust that. Let's turn that down. Okay. Okay, so I had to make it a little bit darker. Let's fix that a little bit. Okay. Hopefully that looks a little bit better. You can kind of see. I'll take my face out the frame so you can see. That's a little bit more of what the color looks like on this bag. It's gorgeous, you guys. Okay, so I have to say, let's adjust my lighting back. All right. So I will say that this does look more like a powder pink in person, even though, what is the color of this? It's in Blossom, so the color does say Blossom. I have my, we'll put this one up here. This is in the powder pink. And you can see those two together. You can see kind of how those play off each other. Very pretty. This one obviously is a little bit more muted, like it has a little bit more of a purple undertone, so you can see it a little bit darker. But I do have my gallery tote. My gallery tote, I have this, and this pink on this gallery tote is actually the Blossom color, you guys. Okay, so you can see how the straps to the gallery tote look like they might match this bag pretty well. Okay, let's see if I can get a better angle of that so you can see it a little bit better. But you see that? You see how those straps look with that? That's very beautiful. Very pretty. Okay, so I'm glad that I got it because they were right. And I'll put my laptop cover up to this. You can see how that will go with that pretty well. Okay, so this is, I wanted the wristlet in this pattern, but obviously couldn't get it. But nonetheless, this is the Town Tote, and it is so pretty, you guys. Let's open her up. Because I know one of my totes, you know, one of my totes that I have, I'll probably end up selling. And it's not that I don't want it. I think I was a little bit just the color. I like the color, but it's not working out the way I want it to. Okay. There we go. And I think, honestly, this was a driving factor. My gallery tote is pink on the inside. I think. And it feels really nice, you guys. Wow. Look at that. It doesn't say that this bag is reversible, but I almost feel like you can reverse the bag. I don't know if anybody has actually tried. But there she is. She's so beautiful, you guys. And I'm going to let me get my little wallet. This feels really nice. This material on this feels so luxurious. It's almost like a pebble. What is this? Is this pebbled leather? I'm going to have to do some digging to see what this is made of. But it's so soft, you guys. It's really soft. It almost feels like it is pebbled grain leather. But it feels really nice. Let's see if this fits. Because this is one of the requirements of my laptop being able to fit in this bag. And it fits. So I can put my personal one in here. I don't know if my work one should fit. Okay. So let's put this next to it. Let's get that. Oh, that looks pretty nice with that, doesn't it? Wow, that's really cute with that. Okay. Okay, y'all. I will keep y'all posted on if this stays or not, but that looks really good with that. I like that wristlet. That's cute. And this is a really good deal. I don't have one in the signature print, and this does go with this bag. So this would give me something to match with this bag there. Very worth keeping. And then who knows, maybe I'll just have to part ways with this one and keep the red one. But let me get my wallet to show you guys how that'll look with my purse. Alright, you guys, so I got my wallet. This is my zip around wallet. I think it's called the medium zip wallet. And this is why I wanted this to go with this bag. And that is gorgeous. Like, it's perfect. I love it, okay? So, if you guys have this wallet and this bag, then you already know how good this combination looks together. And not only that, I also have my little pink Nolita. Not the same color, but it definitely complements this bag. So I can wear this with this. And like I just shared before, this little wristlet here would look so good with this bag, okay? I could see myself using these together. Look at that. Those will look really good together. Maybe even like a little pink and red situation with this tote bag. But this one here is a winner, you guys, okay? And I like that this, let's pull that off. That's metal. You know, typically on the Coach bags, this is like the little leather material, but I love this metal feature of this. Alright, so that is going to be it for my unboxing. Again, thank you guys for watching this video. Welcome to my new subscribers. I have had so many of you subscribe in the last month. I'm almost at 3,000 subscribers. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you have not already subscribed. You all subscribing definitely gives me motivation to keep making content. Leave a comment down below. Like this video. Share it with anyone who you would like to. Especially those who love this type of content. Again, thank you all for being so supportive while I was getting better. I love you all. Much appreciated. And see you all in the next video. Alrighty. Bye.